This Easter, we celebrate more than just a season. We celebrate resurrection, a fresh start, a new life. When hope seemed lost, life was restored. And that same spirit lives on today. At Carlcare, we believe nothing should stay broken forever. Your phone may have stopped working. Your device may feel beyond repair. But this Easter, we're here to bring it back to life. From TECNO, Infinix, and Itel, to Cyanix and Aramo, we are your trusted after-sales service provider, ready to restore, repair, and revive. Because just like Easter reminds us, what was once lost can rise again. So don't give up on your device. Bring it to Carlcare and experience the power of restoration.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing news.
Whoa, look at this. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Play it again. Yeah, fun.
You took my Friday night of tears, turned it to Sunday after years of walking like a ghost through all my fears. You stitched my scattered pieces slow, taught this tired heart to hold. Now every beat is shouting what I
May your Easter be filled with renewal, hope, and restoration. Carlcare. Yes, we care.
You roll the stone from all my yesterdays. Now the grave I built is just an empty place.